Yes! 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 Yes!
Is hay fever getting you down? Sinusitis bothering you? Try these herbs. So guys, here is my blend, my herbal tea blend for the sinuses. If you're struggling with hay fever or sinusitis, rhinitis, runny nose, itchy eyes, itchy throat from all the pollen that is in the air during spring and summertime, then this is the tea for you guys. It's filled with goodness, lots of herbs that are essential, and that has been helping me, my family, and some of my friends who have told me about the issue and who I've shared this recipe with. It is amazing, guys. See if you can spot and make out any of the herbs. Do you know what this yellow, let me see if I can show you. All right, see if you can spot the herbs, guys. Guess the herbs. That's the game we're playing now. The one on the left hand side, did you say rosemary? Because if you did, that's absolutely correct. It's an anti-inflammatory. It boosts the immune system. It detoxes the body as well. And it's amazing for fighting off cold, flu, hay fever, sinusitis. The one on the right with that white spine, that bit to the right, that one is the mighty mullein. Wonderful for cold and flu, guys. Wonderful for boosting your immune system. Wonderful for detoxing your body. Wonderful for the lungs. So if you have cough and cold, anything related to cough and cold, the mullein is your friend, guys. It's amazing. All right, let me see what else you can spot. This green one on there, that is the mighty lemon balm. Amazing to give you a nice restful sleep. There's nothing more annoying than trying to sleep when your nose is constantly running. Your nostrils are blocked, they're stuffy, they're running, they're itchy, your eyes are running, your throat is scratchy. Nothing more annoying. And some other wonderful herbs, guys. I also have Manuka honey, and I'm going to add some Echinacea to it as well. So check out my other videos to see some more information about these herbs. I went into each of them in detail on my other video, so check it out, guys. And if you'd like to purchase this sinusitis or hay fever blend, just send me a private message or check out my website in the description bar and order it, guys. It's wonderful organic ingredients that will help you with the sinusitis. Or you could just buy the loose herbs from us too, or buy them, you know, wherever you can, and just make it for yourself, guys. It's amazing. And don't forget, watch the full video on YouTube for all the ingredients. Speak to you soon.